Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Stellar from Bitmart to Exmo in 2025. If you're holding Stellar XLM on Bitmart and want to move it to Exmo for better trading options or storage, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, we're dealing with cryptocurrency, so double-check everything to keep your assets safe. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Bitmart and Exmo. Log into your Bitmart account and head over to the Wallets or Assets section. Find your Stellar XLM balance. That's the one with the XLM symbol. Once you're there, look for the Withdraw or Transfer button next to it. Click that, and you'll be prompted to enter the destination details. Now, switch to your Exmo account. Go to the Deposit section for Stellar. You'll see a unique wallet address. Copy that carefully. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Back on Bitmart, paste this Exmo address into the withdrawal form. Double-check the network. Stellar uses the Stellar network, so select that to avoid any errors. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. Before you hit Confirm, review the transaction details. This includes the amount, fees, and the receiving address. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transfer should take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always use the exact network specified, in this case, the Stellar network, to prevent your funds from getting lost. Also, keep an eye on gas fees or transaction costs, as they can vary. Once it's done, log back into Exmo and check your wallet to confirm the Stellar has arrived. There you have it. You've successfully transferred your Stellar. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.